जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ रसिया में पढ़ने आता हूँ
Good afternoon to all. Welcome to NA 2020. Every year, Rus Education, in collaboration with Russian Center for Science and Culture, New Delhi, organizes Sabranie for students enrolled in various universities in Russia. This year, due to the pandemic situation, Sabranie 2020 is being organized on this virtual platform. Sabranie is not just pre-departure guidance, but is also a source of motivation where dignitaries from the highest order, along with successfully working graduates of various top Russian universities, interact, guide, and motivate the students who embark on their journey to realizing their dream of becoming a successful doctor. This platform also provides an opportunity to students and parents to interact with each other and university officials. Here, we can see a blend of extraordinary students and their parents who have joined us from different corners of the country. I, on behalf of Rus Education, Russian Embassy, and Russian Center for Science and Culture, welcome you all in joining the extended Rus family Sabranie 2020. I request students and parents to be here in this session as we move on to the interactive part of today's evening. Meanwhile, we have with us the students of Mari State University. I request Vaishnavi to say a few words about the student life and share her experience with all of the parents and students. Vaishnavi, please.
Hello everyone. A warm welcome to all the dignities, parents and my dear friends. I am very glad to be a part of this university, a medical student of second year, because choosing a medical university for your fortune and the future is really very important. Because everything depends upon the university you choose, the knowledge you get and the medical training you get and internships you get from the university plays a vital role in making a good doctor, especially when it comes to Mari. The higher officials and the staffs are very friendly in all aspects. And during this pandemic year, we are continuing our studies through online mode and even in module 2. Sometimes we will have our offline mode too. Not only the studies, we will even continue our sports too in our universities. As our vice rector mentioned, we are playing our badmintons, volleyballs, etc in our universities. So when it comes to the girl safety, being a girl, I would like to say Russia has a most highest female population when it compares to men. And as per I experienced, we are provided with a very good hospital facilities and hostel facilities too. Uh, so I wish every one of you get the same facilities, and I wish you a very good luck to every students who are coming here. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for such a beautiful words from your end and sharing your experience with us. Now, I request Mohammad Suhaib to say a few words.
Hello, good evening, everyone. And it's very pleasure to see you all here in this virtual session. In spite of this pandemic, Rus Education has organized such a get together for knowing each and every students as well as other representatives. Yes, of course. First of all, I congratulate each and every students who has taken admissions for Mali State University. You have chosen a right pathway because because doctor profession is like a noble career, and choosing a right pathway and choosing a right university plays an important role in their future career. So it's like very necessary that you need to work hard, and in a few days the students will be experiencing what I personally experienced in this past 4 years. The journey has been amazing. It was like I had a lot of doubts in the beginning, but as the days went, I was like very comfortable, and the university, it's like very supportive, as well as we have our Rus Education and its entire team, helping each and every student with their building their career. And also we have our representative, Dr. Rohit Chaudhary, who's always to help our students. And also the university staff, teachers, everyone are like so friendly and helping each and every student to clear their concepts to build their noble profession. Of course, the students, Indian students especially, who are coming newly, of course, they are not with the knowledge of Russian language. After coming here, they are provided with a week course of Russian language so that they can easily get accompanied with the atmosphere. And also, according to the daily basis of subjects in our timetable, we have Russian language, which is also very necessary. So teachers who teach Russian language speaks a very good English so that the student can clarify their doubts. And also it is a very easy method of learning Russian language. We will start from the basics, from alphabets. So I think it is much easier for them to learn the language very quickly. Every year the semesters are divided in two ways. The first semester, which is like around for 3 to 4 months, is like basically for Zachod, which is known as like credit exam, where the student like need to appear like oral examinations or MCQ based questions. It is just a pass or fail sort of an exam. And before the summer, the students need to appear the final examination. It will cover the subjects what they have studied in the entire year. So it is a final examinations which is based on the excellence marks of 5 or 4 grades. So the semester is divided in such way. So about our internships, as of Mari State University, every end of the year during our vacations, we have been provided with internships in India, which is like again organized by Rus Education. And also the students who are planning to stay back in Russia during their vacations are also like permitted to work in their hospitals. The only thing to be kept in mind is that they need to be like good in Russian language, but I think that would be much easier for them to communicate with Russian patients. And learning Russian language is also not so difficult because being in Russia, you will like naturally get to know the Russian language and its culture as you keep on in touch with the Russian teachers and your Russian friends. So that's the thing. And also we have been provided with like a good stay so that it's like very peaceful atmosphere for each and every student to take on with their daily living basis. According to the hostel rules, students can be out of and they can visit their universities, and also it is preferred for them to be in the hostel before 10 o'clock in the night, because it's like very cold outside and it's not recommended for students to stay outside after that. And of course the hostel is provided with a security guard who will monitor each and every student, like who's entering at which time. And also we have cameras, so it's like very necessary for students to stay in hostel like before 10 o'clock. And of course Russia is like a very friendly country for students, and it's like very amazingly strong. And yes, the students who are here have been come a long way. You have sacrificed a lot of things to be here. Finally, this is a checkpoint and you have come to this place, and I wish you all the best for your studies. And the parents who are here especially, very congratulations to you all, because you have raised such young minds, and we all are looking forward to get to know your children's. And as well as thank you for giving wings to their career, for building them a future career so that they can be like a wall with like a population. And also the students must work hard, because every chapter you're studying today is definitely gonna help someone's life in future. So thank you so much for this virtual session. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed Suhaib, for your excellent words. I think this will motivate all our students and parents. To end the session, I would request Dr. Rohit Chaudhary, the coordinator for Indian students in Mari State University, to say a few words to our students and parents.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dear students, I am Dr. Rohit Chaudhary, representative of Mari State University. So I would like to welcome to the Mari State University. The opportunity to join one of the most outstanding university in the country comes in recognition of your academic and personal achievements. It is a great honor for me and for Rus Education to welcome you in the new area of knowledge, humanity, science, and medicine. The challenge will create opportunities for spiritual and personal growth of each of you. The journey of professional development starts with the selection of an institution for higher education. This is a complex and responsible choice as it determines not only the job but also your entire life and your destiny. Therefore, we are confident that the knowledge, skills, and competences that you will acquire at our university will be useful in your future and professional development. On behalf of Roots Education, who have the pleasure of reviewing your applications, best wishes to you for a successful and enjoyable future. We would like to assure you that the academic community and all university structures are doing their best to make your education adequate to modern healthcare achievements in the world and give you the opportunity to become highly qualified and successful professional in Europe and the rest of the world. And once again, I wish you good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rohit, for your beautiful words to our students and parents. Thank you so much, everybody, and for motivating and inspiring these students and parents in today's session.
प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने